Question number 9 of exercise 1.1. Here we have to show that each relation, there are two relations which are defined on this set. X is belongs to Z and this X is between what 0 and 12. 0 and 12 both are included. And the relation is what AB is such that A minus B is multiple of 4. And the second relation is what AB is such that A is equal to B are equivalence relation, and then we have to find out the all elements which are related to 1. First of all, we will prove whether these are equivalence relation or not. I am going to take the first one, and the first relation is this, the first one. So first of all, we will check reflexibility. Whether it is reflexive or not. So, see, for all A belongs to A minus A, mod of A minus A is what 0, and this is what multiple of 4. And if it is multiple of 4, then AA belongs to the given relation. And if AA belongs to the given relation, then R is reflexive. Secondly, we have to check symmetry. To check symmetry, we take for all A and B belongs to the set A. If AB belongs to R, if AB belongs to R means this implies the mod of A minus B is multiple of 4. Mod of A minus B is multiple of 4 means what? Mod of B minus A will be what? Multiple of 4. Basically, mod of A minus B is equal to mod of B minus A. So this will be multiple of 4. So this was also multiple of 4. This implies what? BA belongs to R. And if BA belongs to R, this implies R is symmetric. ये जो रिलेशन होगा ये सिमेट्रिक हो जाएगा. Third, we will check transitivity. See, for all A, B and C belongs to this set, if AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, then if AB belongs to R means A minus B is multiple of 4, and BC belongs to R means what? B minus C is multiple of 4. Means these are what? These and these are multiple of 4. If these are multiple of 4, then the sum of this and this, the sum of two multiple of 4 is again multiple of 4. So A minus B plus B minus C is equal to B cancel, that is A minus C is multiple of 4. And if it is multiple of 4 means AC belongs to R. This implies R is transitive. See what we prove? R is reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. Okay? Means hence what? R is equivalence relation. Okay? Now, if it is equivalence relation, we have to find out the set of all elements which are related to 1. So, set of all elements related to 1. So set of all elements related to 1 are what? मीन्स जिसका 1 से डिफरेंस 4 का मल्टीपल हो, और हमें लेना है 1 से 0 से 12 तक. तो 1 के साथ हम क्या क्या ले सकते हैं? 1 और 5 का जो डिफरेंस है वो 4 का मल्टीपल है. इसके बाद इसमें +4 ऐड कर दें 9. इसके बाद अगर फिर +4 ऐड करते हैं तो 12 आ जाएगा. तो केवल और केवल, और एक और 1 और 1 का डिफरेंस 0 होगा. तो ये 1, 5, 9, इसमें 3 एलिमेंट्स होंगे. दीज आर रिलेटेड टू 1. नाउ सी द सेकंड पार्ट. हियर द रिलेशन इज व्हाट? AB such that A is equal to B. So first of all, reflexivity. See, for all A belongs to that set A is equal to A. This implies what? AA belongs to R. ठीक है, डेफिनेशन क्या है? A is equal to B. हमें चेक करना रिफ्लेक्सिविटी, मीन्स ये भी A और ये भी A होना चाहिए. तो A is equal to A होता ही है. दिस implies R is reflexive. Secondly, we have to check symmetry. So we take A and B belongs to R. If AB belongs to R, this implies what? A is equal to B. If A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. And if B is equal to A, then according to the definition, BA belongs to R. So here AB belongs to R, and we prove that BA belongs to R. This implies R is symmetric. Yes. Next one, transitivity. Yes. For all A, B and C belongs to this relation A. Yes. If AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, then we have to prove that whether AC belongs to R or not. So AB belongs to R means what? A is equal to B, and BC belongs to R means what? B is equal to C. A is equal to B and B is equal to C. This implies what? A is equal to C. And if A is equal to C, then AC belongs to R. And if AC belongs to R, then this R is what? Transitive. If R is transitive, hence what we conclude? R is reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. So R is equivalence relation. Okay. Same thing we have to prove. Now the set of all elements which are related to 1. तो 1 से क्या क्या रिलेट करेंगे? फंक्शन क्या है? 1 A is equal to B. तो 1 किसके इक्वल होगा? 1 के इक्वल होगा, तो एक ही एलिमेंट होंगे. एक ही एलिमेंट होगा जो इससे रिलेट करेगा. तो सेट ऑफ elements related to 1 is what? Set of elements that contain what? Only 1. Here in this question, this relation is defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and the relation is like this. We have to choose one of the answer from the given 4 answers. Means here we have to check the reflexivity, symmetry or transitivity of this relation. Say yes, 1, 1, 2, 2. These are belongs to the set. 4, 4 is also belongs to this set, and 3, 3. Sorry, I forget here. 3, 3 is also belongs to this set, one element. This is also the element of this set 3 3. Okay. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 means all element has itself as a image. Means this is what reflexive. ये रिफ्लेक्सिव तो हो गई सही. सिमेट्री चेक करते हैं 1 2 बट 2 1 इज नॉट देयर. 1 2 इज है 2 1 नहीं है. तो सिमेट्रिक नहीं है. ट्रांजिटिव, वेदर इट इज ट्रांजिटिव और नॉट. 1 2 2 2. सो 1 2 होना चाहिए. तो 1 2 है. 2 2 इसके आगे वाला एलिमेंट नहीं. 2 से स्टार्ट होने वाला है ही नहीं. 1 1 तो 1 2. फिर 1 2 होना चाहिए. ये है 1 1 1 3. तो 1 3 होना चाहिए. तो 1 3 ये इटसेल्फ है. 3 2 2 2. तो 3 2 हो जाएगा. और 3 2 हो गया. 3 3 और 3 2. तो ये 3 2 हो जाएगा. मेजर ट्रांजिटिव है. ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन के सारे जो रूल ये फॉलो कर रहा है. इसका मतलब जो है यहाँ पे बी ऑप्शन जो है वो करेक्ट है. बी ऑप्शन में दिया है आर इज रिफ्लेक्सिव एंड ट्रांजिटिव बट नॉट सिमेट्रिक. तो इसका बी ऑप्शन जो है वो करेक्ट है. See in this question, this relation is given. This is on the set of natural number and AB is such that A is equal to B minus 2. ठीक है. A जो है वो B minus 2 होना चाहिए. तो हम यह चेक करते हैं कि कौन सा जो एलिमेंट है इस रिलेशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. तो 4 minus 2 is 2. But here it is given that B is greater than 6. B 6 से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. ये आएगा नहीं. जहां 6 से ग्रेटर नहीं है. ये B जो है 6 से ग्रेटर नहीं है. 6 B minus 2 जो है A होना चाहिए. तो 8 minus 2 6 होता है. तो ये भी नहीं होगा. Yes, B is greater than 6 and 8 minus 2 is 6. Yes, it is correct. So इसका ये ऑप्शन जो है वो.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो